Okay, so we're going to continue now. What I'm going to quickly show you in this video is how to use Windows Live Movie Maker. This is free software. You'll get it already installed on the majority of laptops or desktop computers. If not, just search for it on Google and you'll find it and just install it and use it. Okay, so I've already opened it up. And what you do, once it opens up, it'll open up on this page that you can see, except it will not have these videos. I've installed the 2 videos already that I made yesterday. And to put in a video, you come here, add videos and photos, click on that, go to wherever you keep them on your computer. Like I said, I use Screencast-O-Matic, which I think is about $20 odd per year, so it's a really good bit of kit. Does everything I need. Basically, you come down, create a folder where you're going to keep them all. And so, I mean, these are all my videos that I've created for different things. Okay, choose the one you want, and then you just select it. I'll show you on a. If I go down here, I've got a little tiny video, which is like my intro one. Click enter, and it will just put it in. So if it's a big video like the ones I made yesterday, because it's 12.5 minutes, it takes a little bit to upload. You get a little bar saying how much has been done. Okay, once you've done that, what you do, you actually just watch through the video. Normally I would check the beginning, because sometimes there's a bit of a delay, especially if you're doing live video stuff. So all you do is put this line where you want to go. That's out of here what we're going to be doing in this bit of training. So there you go, and then do that. If you know you've made errors, what you can do you can come down and wherever you are, you can just pause it, put the line, so you can drag this line to wherever in the video you want, and you can choose split, and what that does, it will split the film. You see, like these two are split here, and then if you wanted to get rid of the bit, you just press your delete button and it will remove that chunk of film. Okay, I'm going to put that back in because it's just a little dinky bit, just puts a break in on a natural point. Okay, let's put it down in now, so you can pick it up like this, whatever piece of film you want to move. There you go. So I'm going to put my little titles in now. So now I've got one at the beginning, one at the end. And then what you do, come back here, and when you're ready, all you need to do is click on Save Movie. And this will download and save the movie in a WMV, Windows Movie Video format, or whatever it is, which is perfect for YouTube. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll set this doing the processing. It takes a little bit of time because it's got to put it as a lot higher quality. Once that's done, I'm going to show you the next sort of stage to do. There you go. Choose where you want it to go. I'm going to go. I'll create a new one. New folder. Is it landing page? Landing mailbox. Let's do that. And put it in here. Rename it. Okay. Click save. That's it. Now you just have to leave it to do what it's doing, and that's it.